Hey guys, how you doing? So Dan here from Trading with Dan. So today we're gonna have a quick look at the 15-minute and 25-minute DMT and Dominator for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So as we can see, the 15-minute DMT buy line, well the sell line, sorry, it's the price that we'll sell at, is moving up. So it's just above 6,200. So that would be the level that the indicator will be looking at taking a short trade. The 25-minute Dominator actually did take us a short trade. Unfortunately, it took us a short trade here, and then the market decided to immediately reverse. So we did take a loss on that trade. But yeah, it is what it is. You're gonna take losses. I mean, if you're taking the long here, you made plenty of profit on the way up. So over to the Ethereum 15-minute. Just let this load up. Ethereum 15-minute DMT. I mean, you can see that's coming down close to the sell level also. And then the 25-minute Ethereum Dominator, I'm guessing, has had ticked to a sell with at the same time we then spiked up. So I didn't have this trade on. I don't trade Ethereum at the moment with the bots. But yeah, that would have been a losing trade also. So yeah, you could get the losing trades. I mean, this would have been where you bought, and that would have been a great winning trade. But yeah, you get losers, you get winners with trading. That's how it works. So yeah, we've got an interesting day today. Stock market wise, we had a pretty good turnaround yesterday. One of the largest percentage gains in a day ever for the Dow. I think it was the fourth largest percentage gain. Something you guys definitely need to be aware of is that all 10 bar 1 of the biggest day percentage gains, so I'm not just talking about points because obviously the Dow's bigger in points, the largest percentage gains were basically during the 1929 Great Depression. Well, the Great Depression that started in 1929, so over those few years after that. The only one that wasn't was the 1987 crash. But that didn't actually lead to a recession. So that was the only other one time we had a big one of the top percentage gains in the Dow. So I mean that is, I mean, as much evidence as you need, the fact that we're basically going into a depression. It's not as much evidence as you need, but it is some good evidence that these big rallies do come at times when we basically are in bear markets. So yeah, that's what I just wanted to point out for you guys. So yeah, we've had this big rally up, but I mean, you've really got to expect it's gonna sell back down and take out the lows. But yeah, we'll see, because the trend is your friend. The trend is very steeply down, so yeah, we'll see what happens. But anyway, so yeah, we're saying, like I said, we'll see what happens. So we had turnaround Tuesday yesterday, so I expect probably a retrace today that we're already kind of getting in the markets at the moment. I mean, the S&P got up to nearly 2,500 yesterday, and then got up to 2,500 in the pre-market futures, and now is at about 2,400. That's 100 ticks off already in the S&P. So anyway, so remember, it's not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research, and I'll speak to you guys later.